On the 10th of June, we found 2 bird eggs in a bird nest in one of our plants. On the 23rd of June, one of the bird eggs hatched. And then, on the 24th of June, the other egg also hatched. This is how they look like, all mushy and soft with egg yolks still in their tummies. They're hungry all the time and can chirp very softly. But then one day, the smaller bird disappeared. With extra care from parents, the bigger bird started slowly growing feathers. It grew day by day, and finally it flew away into the wild.